I hope not, but this may not be the last virus we ever face. This may not be the end of us wearing masks in the future. So, you want to have a product that can last for years to come.
Definitely in the medical field, I think everything has changed. Prior to the pandemic, we never wore masks and we're going to patients' homes. So to think about it now, it's like almost uncomfortable, right? Like, why would I not wear a mask? Moving forward with medicine, it's really going to be that it's going to be just your standard practice to have a mask on.
So if you're going to have to wear something every single day, why not wear something that you're comfortable with, that you know is protecting you, and that you don't have to think about?
I think BendShape was more focused on creating a product not only physicians and healthcare workers would like to use, but a product that the standard person and the general public would like to use, and also a product that could be used for years to come.